In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit your audio tracks when you're using a format like 1080 by 1080 or 1080 by 1920. Let's get into it. First thing you want to do is pull up your template, go over to your uploads and audio section and look for the beat that you want to use. Pick the beat and drag it on top of the template. Now you're going to notice that when you click on the beat and you look at your audio timeline, there's no way that you can edit this thing. So we made a little workaround. Just click on the video background layer. All right. When you click on the video background layer and hit the scissor tool, you can adjust the video left or right to make it shorter or longer. And this is going to dictate how long your audio track will be. Let's click the audio track and make sure we know how long it is. So here it's 342. All right, let's remember that. Click the video background layer once again, go to the scissor tool and just put those numbers in, 342. All right, and you're all set to go. Now there's also templates that do not have a main background video that's going to help you dictate that audio length. Now the solution here is to go and locate this rectangle highlighted bar. It's empty in the middle. All right, so click that. As you can see here, you just gotta hover right over it and you can't miss it. It's at the top of the template. So you're gonna click the bar and go over to the scissor tool and adjust it to the audio length that you desire. So in this case, we're gonna put 342. All right, we're gonna hit done and you're all set. And that's how you edit your audio tracks when you're using formats like 1080 by 1080 or 1080 by 1920. If you guys have any other questions, email us at thisisupperside@gmail.com.